So now one question you will have is, what's the purpose of CBDCs then? So back in September 2022, the White House released a framework outlining the regulation of digital assets and exploring the digital dollar. But before the US moves ahead to create its digital dollar, the Federal Reserve has listed guidelines on how this digital dollar might exist or how it would look like. And there are 4 main points that the Feds have brought up to how this digital dollar might be. So the first thing is privacy protection. The digital dollar must safeguard consumers' privacy rights, but at the same time impede criminal activity. And second, it has to be intermediated. So the Federal Reserve will also permit the management and payments of CBDCs via digital wallets and accounts provided by private and commercial banks or non-banks. So third, the CBDC has to be transferable, which means that it is accessible to US customers regardless of intermediaries that the customers use. And lastly, it has to be identity verified. So this means that those who use CBDCs will need to be identified to prevent money laundering or financing of terrorism.